How to use a grindstone in Minecraft. So first, let's craft it. Just gonna put a crafting table right there, and what you will need is a stone slab, 2 sticks, and 2 oak planks. So first, just simply get your stick and put it just like that. Now get your oak planks and put it right below the sticks, and get your stone slab and put it here at the top. As you can see, we now have our grindstone. Now to use the grindstone is pretty simple. Just simply put it right there and right click on it to open it up, and basically you can repair and disenchant items. So let's say I have an enchanted diamond pickaxe right here, and if I put it right here at the top, as you can see, the pickaxe will be disenchanted. And if I want to repair something, let's say I want to repair my wooden shovel right here, I'm just going to put it right here at the top and get another shovel or any materials. So just simply put it back right here. And as you can see, we now have the shovel repaired, and you can just simply get it. But do note that if you repair it here, the enchantment will be gone. So if there are any enchantment on the damaged tool or item, it will be disenchanted if you put it or repair it here. That's how I basically use a grindstone in Minecraft.